Whoa, that thing is close to the ground. That's a big plane. That's a big plane. Wow, now you hear the sound after it landed already. I want to see the plane. I don't see another big plane. Another plane is coming. Another plane is coming. I don't know how clear it is. I don't know how clear it is. I don't know how clear the zoom is on this stupid thing. The plane, boys, the plane. Super nice. Ooh, that plane is taking off, people. I don't know how bad the zoom is on this thing. It doesn't look that clear. That plane's about to take off. It's in position to take off. Here we go. Let's hear those turbines. Oh, and another one's about to land, so he better take off quick. There's another one coming out back. Same type. Oh man, how is this? Wait a minute, does it land somewhere else? Oh, he's still there. Yep, he's still there. Oh, so it lands over there. Okay, runway 2 maybe. That threw me off track. He's getting ready. There we go, you hear it? And there's another plane right there, but this one's roaring hard. Yep. Hope you guys can hear it. It's getting ready to take off. And there's a JetBlue. Yep. JetBlue's coming. That was the. Whoa. Woo. Listen to that baby roar. So as the JetBlue was coming, Southwest taking off. The JetBlue now is in position. Yep, there he goes, lifting up. I don't think you guys can see it, but there we go. It's in the air. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's up there. Hope you guys enjoying the beach. I don't see no other plane coming to land. Beautiful, man. I love this plane. Love the planes. That one's taking off. That one wasn't so loud because it was a smaller plane, and no other plane is landing either. So I don't know. But it's pretty awesome over here. I cover the camera, but pretty awesome over here, man. It's looking real nice. See the planes and everything. Private jet over there is about to take off now. See a private jet over there. Private jet. Can't see that clear when you zoom in, but it's a private jet right there.